Bitcoin has just seen a sub 100K price for the first time since June of this year, leading many to believe that it's absolutely all ogre and the bulls are done. Big time, even. People are saying that not only are the bulls cooked, but they're absolutely burnt, charred, and they're just done. Overcooked, even. And when you look at a weekly chart, at this very second, honestly, so far, similar to the two most recent times we've come down to the 50-week, we have gotten wicks below. So pretty much, this is crunch time. This is where either banana mode activates and the moon boys and the baby bulls can rejoice and celebrate, or is it in fact the opposite that's about to happen, where the bulls are going to lock their doors, tell their moms that they don't want to find a job, but little do we know, we might be looking for jobs sooner than we expected. So let's actually take a squeak peek at some of what's going on here. So nearly all active sell pressure on Bitcoin spot markets has come from Binance. Interesting. All other markets are basically flat. You see this is Binance in green. Interesting. I'm going to run some calculations about this. In fact, we also see Binance dumping crypto to mass liquidate retail longs potentially. Last time they did this, Bitcoin dumped hard, fast, and did I mention hard? And the market crashed by almost 20 billion. This is pure manipulation, they say. Don't get shaken out. But the chart looks pretty dumpy. I think many people have gotten shaken out. And we also see BlackRock has just started dumping all of their crypto holdings according to 0x Nobler on X. Non-stop selling Bitcoin and ETH, over 300 million dumped on retail in just 15 minutes. What the heck is going on? And this is actually $5,000 higher than the price was just a few minutes ago. Over 250 billion, or $250 billion, has been wiped out from the crypto market today. Bitcoin down between 5-6%. A lot of these top alts down, 7, 10, 15%. It's absolutely a dumpy day, but it could always get dumpier. And that's the secret. Quite a big moment for Bitcoin. Bitcoin hits the weekly 50 moving average, which I just pointed out. The line marked the end of the bear market in 2023 and was the most important support line through the entire bull. And as I've been saying for a while now, if we're not able to hold on the 50-week moving average, then this is an absolutely probably the biggest bearish signal that we've gotten technically on the charts, even though all of the fundamentals are bullish. Pretty much, I think the most important one is December 1st, pretty much being the official end of quantitative tightening. The technicals don't look good, right? We're very aware of that. The technicals don't look great. And holding the 50-week moving average is the only thing that really matters, in my opinion. But on days like today, it's important to remember that Douglas diversified across stocks, gold, and Bitcoin because it allows him to lose money in 3 totally different ways. Gold is down today. Let's see what the SPX is doing. Down today. The SPX is down 1.1%. The NASDAQ is down over 2%. Dow Jones is down about 0.5%. So yes, there is a fair amount of dumping happening. But this is the opportunity you said you wanted. Are you buying the dip? If you're somebody that was bullish just a few months ago when Bitcoin was, well, actually pretty much just 1 month ago, at the end of September, when Bitcoin hit all-time highs. If you were bullish here and you wanted to buy, why wouldn't you be buying right now? I get if you think we're entering a bear market. Actually, if you do think we're entering this is the end of the bull market and we're going to be bearish for the next 2 or so years, I would love to hear your comments below of where do you think we're going for Bitcoin? How low do you think we'll go? So I'd love to get some comments about that. Curious what you guys are thinking. But as Crypto Guru says, if you have big balls and didn't even worry about the dip, then that's pretty big. Yeah, I guess that's me actually, I guess. And also November is usually the most bullish month for Bitcoin. Well, we'll see. This month just started, so we'll see how bullish it is. But things are looking interesting. And I did want to mention before we continue that my only real Instagram is the one in my description below. I just started posting videos about 3 days ago, day in the life videos. So if you want to know what it's like a day in the life as we're dumping and how I deal with the dumpiness, then follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Very big. And so today actually Bitcoin dominance is going up. while gold dumps. Gold looks disgustingly bad. Bitcoin has not been following it. The total market cap, obviously, of crypto is down to 1.28 trillion minus Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, it's about 3.28 trillion, meaning Bitcoin has about a $2 trillion market cap currently, sitting right at about 100K. ETH is down all the way to 3,100, down 12% today. Actually, Cardano, Solana, AVAX, Render, XRP, Doge, like all of these actually are down less than ETH. ETH is down more than all of those altcoins, interestingly enough. Bitcoin as well, though, down about 6%. That's pretty substantial, sitting right at about 100K right now. This is truly the make or break moment. But also what is happening, you guessed it, the US dollar is having a little bit of a resurgence, and that's one of the major reasons for this. So this month is off to a bad start. But very often at the beginning of months, we see switcheroos. It's possible we do get a switch into more bullishness, or it's possible, as you know, as always, it's possible the dumping has only begun. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and do a quick update. As I said, I usually have only been doing Monday videos now, but it's Tuesday, and the market is dumping. And as I said, I would make a video if the market had a bit bigger of a dump, and it's a little bit bigger of a dump, so that's why I'm making a video. Yeah, as well, if you want to buy crypto, if you want to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, and trade, you can sign up with the links below. Honestly, I really want to buy, but I don't have a ton of money left to buy right now. I have a little bit, but not anything crazy. But hey, if we're entering another 2-year bear market, which again, I don't personally think we are, but if we are, I'm going to be working as hard as I can to buy as much as I can when it's cheap. So it's just one of those things, you know? So without any further ado,